Hello guys, I want to show you how Goldie Razor, the new version 2.8.5 is performing. Let me show you on the dashboard. As you can see, today it was a very slow day, only 31 trades. So far a profit of $151. Let me show you also the trades. As you can see, there are only a few trades for today. The market is low, but a lot of good trades. What is very important is that on this version 2.8.5 I do not have the hours blocked. Take a look. Everything works by default, but I highly recommend you to start the expert advisor after 30 minutes when the market starts. Now let me show you in the comparison between this one and the previous one, which is 2.8. As you can see, the same day I have different results. Let me show you first. Here I have only $17, but let me show you the trades. As you can see, I have only a few trades. Now I have also this version 1. This one has also only a few trades, and this one today it is negative. I'm very happy about this new version. It will be available starting next week from Monday, and I hope it will bring you more profit. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.